Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Shauna. Today I want to share with you guys an updated cloth diaper wash routine. I am a cloth diapering mom to a 1.5-year-old little boy named Charlie. And I did a cloth diapering wash routine about a year ago now, but some things have changed. I've gotten a new washer, my soaps changed, things like that. So I wanted to kind of update it and let you guys know what my new wash routine's like. So let's go ahead and jump into the washing. So starting off, my cloth diapering routine is probably a little different than some others you may have seen. I am a full-time working mom, so my son does go to daycare Monday through Friday. And I've been lucky and fortunate enough to find a daycare that will do cloth diapering for me, but because of that, they do send home all the dirty diapers at the end of the day. So basically, I send new diapers in the morning and they send them home in the afternoon. So when I get those home, I am going through them on wash days and I am taking out all the inserts and leaving the poopy covers inside the bag because I'm gonna need to go rinse those off in the toilet. I do choose to separate my covers and my inserts. I just feel like they get washed better. I know a lot of brands claim their inserts will come out in the wash. My experience, they don't always do that, so I just choose to go ahead and take them out as I'm going through all the diapers. So I went through all the diapers that we had at home and from daycare and took out all the inserts. I am then going to rinse off all the poopy covers in the toilet. I just showed you my diaper sprayer there real fast. And then I throw everything in the washer and I'm gonna take my laundry soap, which I like to use the Tide powder. I just find the Tide powder works a lot better than the liquid. And I'm gonna fill it up to about the 1 line and then I'm gonna throw that in for my first wash. On my first wash, I just do a normal quick cycle, nothing fancy. I do wanna make sure it's warm water though. You don't wanna use your first wash on cold because that does make stains sit in. So I just put it in my normal wash on warm water. It doesn't matter the soil level because right now we're just rinsing the diapers off basically. And then I'm gonna hit start and let that run. Once that cycle is done, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and if there's anything stuck to the side, I kind of pull them off, and then I'm gonna restart it. So basically I'm gonna put my Tide soap in, and this time I'm gonna fill it up to the level 3 on the little scoop. I'm gonna throw that in there. I also, on my second wash, like to throw in about a tablespoon of Biz. This is just kind of a stain fighter. I always put it in pretty much every time because I just find my laundry gets cleaner this way. And then this time I'm gonna switch my washer to heavy duty. And I'm gonna make sure my temperature is hot and the soil level is at the maximum setting. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit start. Once those are done, I'm gonna go ahead and start hanging up and throwing some of my stuff in the dryer. So all of my covers, I do hang, and then all of the inserts I throw in the dryer to dry on low heat. I don't like to dry any of my covers. I know some people do, but I have just found that they last better and they don't get ruined as easily if I don't dry them. The few times I have dried them, I have noticed some tearing and stuff in them, so I just don't dry my covers. But I do dry all the inserts because honestly, those take way too long to dry hanging up. Now, while you're watching me hang up these diapers, quickly I did want to talk about how often I wash my diapers. I personally have found that every other day works best for me. I try not to get a load of more than about 12 to 15 diapers at a time, just because then it's too much. Plus, if anything lasts or stays on the diaper for more than a couple days, it's really hard to spray off. And since I'm bringing diapers home from daycare and need to spray them later, I try to do it every other day to make sure everything comes off easily and I'm not having to really sit there and spray for a long time. After the diapers are dry, usually the next night, so usually I will wash, say I washed on a Monday, then the next night on Tuesday, I will go ahead and fold everything. And I usually just throw on some TV or maybe some YouTube, and I'll sit on my bed and fold all of my diapers so that I have some ready for my son's daycare for the next day. I personally have a stash of about 30 to 35 diapers. If I was a stay-at-home mom, I think I could get away with a little bit less, but since I need to have diapers ready for daycare, this is the amount that I have found that I kind of need in order to be able to do that. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Here at the end, make sure you check out some of my other cloth diapering videos if you are a cloth diapering mom yourself, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.